Welcome to Module 4, Microorganisms, Friend or Foe. We will explore the harmful effects of microorganisms, different types of diseases, how diseases like malaria and those caused by viruses spread, common diseases in humans, animals, and plants, and preventive measures against microbial diseases. Microorganisms can have harmful effects, primarily by causing disease and food spoilage, which includes food poisoning. They can also lead to algal blooms, affecting water quality. Microorganisms are harmful because they cause diseases in humans, animals, and plants, and they are responsible for food spoilage. Some algae also cause algal blooms in water bodies, decreasing drinking water quality and leading to the decay and death of organisms. Diseases are categorized into communicable and non-communicable. Communicable diseases spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, food, water, or direct contact, like chickenpox. Non-communicable diseases, such as high blood pressure, do not spread this way. Communicable diseases involve a host, which is the organism the pathogen depends on for food and shelter, and a pathogen, which is the disease-causing microbe. Communicable diseases spread through various modes, including air, physical contact, food and water, vectors like mosquitoes, and wounds. Malaria is spread when a mosquito carries a pathogen or germs. For example, a housefly can sit on dirt. Germs stick to its body. When the fly sits on food, the germs are transferred, and consuming that food can make a person sick. When a virus enters a living cell, it reproduces using the host cell's energy. After forming new viruses, the host cell dies. They burst, spreading new viruses to other cells. When many host cells burst, the person falls ill. Here are common human diseases. Malaria is caused by a protozoa and transmitted by the female Anopheles mosquito. Preventive measures include using nets and repellents. Cholera and typhoid, caused by bacterium, are transmitted through contaminated food and water, requiring proper sanitation and clean food. Tuberculosis, caused by a bacterium, is airborne and preventable by vaccination. More human diseases include ringworm, caused by a fungus and spread through direct contact, requiring good hygiene. Common cold and chickenpox are caused by a virus. The common cold is airborne, preventable by hand washing and avoiding close contact. Chickenpox spreads through air and physical contact, preventable by vaccination. Animal diseases include foot and mouth disease, rinderpest, and anthrax, all affecting cattle and caused by a virus or bacterium. Fin rot, affecting fish, is caused by bacterium or fungus and spread through dirty water or injury. Plant diseases include citrus canker, affecting citrus plants, spread by air and caused by bacteria. Rust of wheat is caused by fungi and spread through air and seeds. Tobacco mosaic and yellow vein mosaic are viral diseases affecting tobacco and okra, transmitted by contact with infected items or by insects. To prevent microbial diseases, wash vegetables and fruits properly. Boil drinking water, especially when infection is possible. Keep patients in isolation, keep their belongings separate, and maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. Further preventative measures include preventing water from collecting in your surroundings to stop mosquito breeding, getting vaccinated at the suitable age, avoiding stale food, and putting wire mesh on doors and windows to prevent mosquitoes. In the next module, we will learn about food spoilage, indicators of food spoilage, food preservation methods, pasteurization, and food additives.